Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to modify your DNS settings on IONOS in roughly 5 minutes. Whether your goal is to boost website performance, tighten security, or utilize tools from another provider, mastering DNS updates is a fundamental skill. Follow along as we go through each step of the process to ensure your transition is completely smooth. Start by visiting the IONOS website. On the main landing page, you will see several options, but we need to access the account management area. Look for the Sign In button at the top right and click it. This is your entry point for managing account details and DNS configurations. Under the Sign In menu, select Customer Account to reach the login portal. Enter your registered email address carefully, as any typos will block your access. Then click Next. Finally, input your password and hit Next once more to reach your dashboard. Once you have logged in, you will be greeted by the IONOS dashboard, which serves as your central control hub. To find the DNS area, look for the Domains and SSL section. This is where all your domain names are listed and managed. Find the specific domain you want to adjust and click the 3 dots, or ellipsis, located right next to it. From the resulting drop-down menu, choose DNS. This page allows you to view and modify all your records according to your specific needs. The DNS settings page displays all the current records for your domain. To edit any of these, simply click the pencil icon, which represents the edit function. This tool lets you change existing settings or input entirely new records. While this might feel technical, remember that precision is vital. Every entry must be exact to ensure your website stays online and functions correctly. Errors here can lead to unwanted downtime, so take your time with the data. After you have finished updating your records, MX records, or other types, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. When you are ready, save your changes to apply the new settings to your domain. Note that DNS changes take time to spread across the internet. This propagation process can last from a few minutes up to 48 hours. You have now successfully managed your IONOS DNS settings. Always double-check your configurations as they impact how visitors interact with your site. Thank you for following this tutorial. If it helped you, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more helpful tech guides.